What's going on YouTube? Noah back to another video for y'all today. Sorry about the hissing noise, the air compressor leaks a little bit. So today what we're going to do is just a little overview, kind of a catch-up video. Basically all. I need some more actual like content out, but this is what we got for now, so we're going to roll with it. So I've been working just for, get away from that hissing noise. Alright, let's stay here on the truck for a minute and then I'll... Okay, so for any of y'all that care, what I've been doing this week, what I've been doing this week is I've been working at a fab shop for the most of the week. Did do a little stainless half a day of a repair, nothing too excited. So what I'm trying to do, I probably got 2 more days at that fab shop, depending on if stuff comes, depending on what happened. It's contracting work, so it's not a big deal, it's just by the hour. Got a couple other odds and ends projects I need to do. I got a handrail, 2 handrails I gotta make for this week. A couple other just odds and ends, nothing too exciting. But that being said, what I gotta do? What I'm doing right now is I gotta clean the truck up and all, and just pull the tools up because I gotta go over to my parents' house because I got a little bit of time and I really want to get that Bombadil. It's just about ready to try to start up on it, so I'm hoping that starts. Should. So for those of y'all that don't know, I haven't really been keeping up with great videos on that. But the theory on that is what we've been doing is when I bought it, I had a couple stuck valves, so a couple of the cylinders weren't getting compression. So basically what we did is we pulled the head off, pulled all the valves out, cleaned the valves, put them back on. Now we just gotta put them back on, or pull the valve back in, put the new head gasket. Had to weld the manifold. I didn't get a video of that, but we got that welded. So now I just gotta go over there and put the clean up the manifold, maiden surface. Put a new manifold on it, and then once we put the new manifold gaskets, then I gotta put the distributor back together and all that, and go from there. So it's very close to getting the full start up. If I just want to try to start it up and see where it's at. If we start it up and if it starts up and runs decent, we'll continue putting everything back together, put fluids in it, the radiator back in it, all that kind of stuff, and then we're gonna do a full test drive soon, hopefully. At least that's the plan, so hopefully that works out. Had a couple of hiccups. One of the hiccups being the new water pump I got isn't the right water pump, and I can't find the right water pump for this thing. It's close. I have a problem with the belt spacing on it and the fan shroud. So I made a spacer. I think that's gonna work, but we'll find out. Just a piece of 1/2-inch plate and drill the holes and all that. So that should work, hopefully. We'll find out. But other than that, everything else seemed to be working out pretty well. What I got left? Yeah, like I said, all I got really left on that. Well, I just got to finish putting the motor together. Hoping to hear it run today. Put the manifold on. Still got to go through the carburetor, but I think right now I'm just going to throw it on and see what happens. Well, I got a carb kit, I need to clean it, but I just want to hear it run and then put it back together. Then I'll probably take the carburetor back off, do a good clean on it. So that being said, that's the Bombadil update. I'm hoping on that handrail job to get y'all, make a video on that. I think that would be something that y'all would be interested in. Just gotta do it. But what else? I gotta get over there actually and get some final measurements and the angle and all that. Probably should do that. I might do that tomorrow. Yeah, I did tomorrow. But okay, so let me do a little walk around, kind of some stuff, update on some projects. Well, so what I did yesterday is I replaced I'm gonna spin y'all around, that way y'all don't have to look at me. I replaced the temperature gauge on this. It never worked ever since I owned it. New old stock, middle part. This is the old one. As you can see, kind of got some issues. But that does work, so that we replaced that. That's a good thing. I got that done. I'm trying to think of what else. Plenty of pipe there. I gotta get that off today. Just trying to think. Oh yeah. So big elephant in the room. So this is my 1997 AOPac with a Deutz 4-cylinder in it. So as many of you probably know, the AOPac does not work in it. AOPac is part of the one of the 4 cylinders. So we gotta address that at some point. But I need to replace this machine. I need to find another machine to go on this before I do that. My goal is to put a new machine, smaller machine on it. Well, I like to say about the same amperage, but a small body, probably at least a 300 amp machine I want to put on here. I'm thinking maybe a Trailblazer, kind of what I'm leaning towards. That, or I'm thinking of a Vantage. They both will fit. They both will give me my extra space so I can put a cab back on this thing, 5 inches out, and then I'll probably put a window on it. But so that's being said. So why this is all torn apart is right here. Trying to find it. Okay, see how that's supposed to be a circle, not a slot. So basically, what happened is a while back I broke a bolt in it. The bolt broke in it. I put a new bolt in it. It wasn't too bad, but I put a standard bolt, and this is a metric hole. It wasn't quite right, but I had to do what I had to do at the time. So now it's gotten it. Now it walled out, and this was moving back and forth. I kept hearing a noise when I was running this thing. I probably should get a new belt when I was running this thing. So that being said, after I fixed the oil temperature gauge, I went through and I kept hearing the noise, so I ended up coming in here, finding that. So I got a new alternator coming Wednesday, so that'll work out good. So we're just gonna do that. I probably replace the belt, get it all tensioned up. I gotta do something here because I think we broke a piece in there. So. But yeah, so actually you can actually do quite a bit on this. I could probably put a startle if I needed to right now. I'm not gonna say it'd be fun, but you can do it. Yeah, because all you gotta do is just get into that bolt, and you gotta get the bolt on the back, and there's 3. Yeah, you could definitely do it. You could really pull that battery too, not pulling off the truck. But so yeah, that's the update on that. I know this is probably boring, but just what's going on. So yeah, I'm being able to put it back together because I need to pick up some steel. Either need to pick up some steel with that, or I need to just put my trail. Now I'm thinking the trail might be an easier option. I'll think about that. I might just do that. Okay, pick up some steel for that handrail job. What else? So this is the spacer I was telling y'all about. It's 1/2 inch plate and go on here, and then this can go over it and line up. I think my other one got a little bit bigger, a bit larger. You know what I'm talking about. Up in the middle, so then when I go through and put the fan on it, it'll work. I'll show y'all once I get over there. But yeah, this is the old water pump, so that should work out good for that. Got those bottles. I gotta meet up, see about swapping them out. I got a talked to my wood supply rep, and he said he probably can swap them for me. So just gotta wait for him to be at the shop or be at the wood supply, and I talked to him. See if he can swap those out. It was just some takes I had. I forgot. Trade deals kind of deal. But that's that. What else? Nothing really new on this 250 here. I did just realize that's a 250 Welding. That's that 250 truck. But yeah, all this seemed to be good. This is gonna be a long video, or longer update video. That's kind of it. I'm trying to think if I got anything else going on. Not really. But yeah, I've been staying busy, so that's a good thing. Looking forward to what else comes. So I've been staying busy, which is great. But yeah, like I said, I want to get a video of that handrail job possibly. That way y'all can see what I'm talking about, and I think y'all enjoy that video. I'm trying to get good content out, like more. These videos probably some of y'all like, but I imagine a lot of y'all would rather have a video of me doing something, or something more informative that you can learn something from. That's what kind of videos I normally like, but I just like having, with having a new baby and life how it is, I don't really have as much time as I used to. So I'm still going to do it as much as I can. But as you saw, Daniel came down one day last week, and we messed around with, we did some gouging with his Champion Elite 225, which actually did do it. We used some 532 carbon rods, so he's thinking he's gonna get the Champion, the Hobart 260. It's a new machine they came out with. Basically, it's got 260 amps versus his current one's got 100 or 225 amps. It's along the same lines of the Bobcat 250 that they came out with, or 260. So that's that. Hopefully that'll work out good. We'll wait and see. Probably once you get it, I want to bring the Bobcat 250 up there, and we'll compare all of them to see just how they work together. But yeah, other than that, that's kind of the only update I got for y'all today. I'm gonna try getting some more videos of the Bombardier. If that's something y'all interested in, let me know, because I'm not really sure how. I know once it's going, I'll probably make some videos of kind of the plan on that, and maybe making some mounts and some bottle mounts, and see what we can get ourselves into. That's more like what it is. But yeah, so anyway, oh, and there's a couple of y'all that answered a question right, that a little giveaway I had going, and I sent out some hats to y'all. Y'all should have got them. If not, let me know. We'll figure something out. But you should have got them probably this last week. So if you did, let me know. And just let me know in the comment section, just so I can verify y'all got them. For warning, make sure, this is one thing they don't teach you in school, make sure you have your oh, I don't know, never mind, I forgot where I was going with that. So anyway, but thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later.